Hello my friends again and welcome to Master Coding channel. We will continue with the automata exercises and in the deterministic finite automata. In this exercise number 4, we are going to write the system of department and the arrival of the following automata. We have seen before how to solve like this exercise, and I would like to say that we have as a revision x equal to x. Let me write them correctly in a good way. So x equal to x u plus v. This form I can write it in this way, and the key of solving like these exercises is to change x into like this form: x equal to v u star. So the question here is asking us about solving the arrival and the department systems. So we will start as usual. We will start with the department. So department system is consisting of 3 states, and the first state D1. Let me see what are the things that arrive to 1. So if we are standing on 1, what are the states that is getting to arrive to depart from 1? It's departing. The department would be the A2, this is to number 2, and we will depart from 1 and go to B, D3. So the department D1 is equal to AD2 plus BD3. D2 equal, what are things that are departed from 2? They are A and B. A is going to 3, and if we press B, we will go to 1. So it's very important to notice that the writing language. So AD3 plus BD1, and since D2 and 2 is a final state, we need to put epsilon. D3 is equal to AD3 plus BD3. Okay? And we can write it again, A plus B into D3. This is how we solve like this. These are the three systems. But since we have L2, since the final step, the initial step is L and the 1, so L equal to D1 because it is the initial state. So remember guys, for the department we go and get the initial state, and for the arrival we go and search for the final state. So L in the initial, L for the department is equal to initial states, and the arrival is equal to the final states. So we need to write down the arrival, and then we need to solve the systems. Let me solve the system directly and then we will put the arrival. So, in order to solve the system, what we need to solve? L equal, the capital L is, as I told you, equal to a D1. So we need to get rid of everything from D and write the system as in form of A and B's. So D1, or sorry, D3, let me start. D3 is equal to A plus B D3. And we can put here the phi. So let me remove this. Removing this, and we have here D3 phi. So phi, and using the above formula, we have x equal to u x plus v. So v is here, x is here, x is here, and u is here. So D3 is equal to A plus B star phi, and this is equal to phi. Okay, amazing. So we substitute in D2, which is equal to B D1 plus epsilon equal, which is equal to the epsilon, and we substitute them everything in D1. So therefore D1 equal to A into B D1 plus epsilon plus B phi equal to A B D1 plus A. Also this is equal, we apply here the formula. D1 is equal to A B D1 plus A. You guessed, this is the V is X, X, and V. This is U. Therefore, D1 is equal to A, B, and times A. Therefore, the system of department is equal to AB star A. Okay, this is the system.